Bidding on our exclusive marketplace of luxury homes has never been easier with our new bidding experience. Once bidding opens, you may place bids online at any time until the close of the bidding. To participate, after you've fully registered to bid, you'll need to log into your account on conciergeauctions.com. To do so, visit conciergeauctions.com. Select the Login tab at the top right of the homepage. If you have set up your account via email, enter your email address and password. As a reminder, passwords are case sensitive. If you forgot your password or have been provided a temporary password by our team, you may reset it by clicking Forgot Password below the Login button. Enter your email address. In your inbox, look for the subject line, Change Password Request from Concierge Auctions. Click on Confirm Password Change. Enter and confirm your new password and click on the blue arrow. And you're set. You may now log in using your new password. If you set up your account via social sign-on, you will log in via Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn. Once logged in, on the top navigation bar, select Current Properties under the Buy tab. Scroll and click on the property to view the bidding. If bidding is open, you'll see a Bidding Open banner on the property tile. Click on the property page and you'll automatically see bidding on the right side of the page. If bidding is not yet open, you may find the scheduled start time under Auction Info on the property page. Want to learn more about how to place bids? Visit howtobidca.com. Happy bidding!